Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Natasya R1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an omega-3 bread health loaf that's gluten-free and great for your health. Omega-3 is amazing for your body. Omega-3 fights inflammation, it helps fight rheumatoid arthritis, joint pain. It is amazing for anti-aging, firming up your skin. Even bodybuilders use omega-3. So it is fantastic for your body. The problem though is that if you're vegan, finding omega-3 sources can be challenging. The famous food sources for omega-3 is tuna, it's sardines, it's mackerel, any types of fatty fish. So for a vegan, you're gonna have to look at maybe chia seeds to help you with omega-3. So I try to always take my supplements through food, and that is why I came up with this omega-3 health loaf or omega-3 bread. So let's get into it, guys. Let's start with the ingredients required and the steps. So in a bowl, you're going to take 2 tablespoons or more of coconut oil. Put that into your bowl. I try to vary the fats because you want the loaf to be nice and moist. So what I do is I also add ghee. I will add a tablespoon of ghee. So you're going to have a rich loaf with other fatty acids as well. And omega-3s are also found in your ghee. So it's an additional source for you. So once you've added that in, you can add in your onions. You can add in broccoli. You can add in my omega-3 source that I'm using for this dish is tuna. You can use tuna in salt water or oil, up to you. You could use mackerel. You could use sardines. You can also add chia seeds. If you're vegan, you can remove the tuna or fish and just keep it as chia seeds. You can add cheese if you'd like, or mozzarella or parmesan. Again, up to you. If you're doing a keto loaf, that's pretty cool. But what makes this loaf so special is that it's gluten-free. So I didn't use whole wheat flour. I use rice flour, which is naturally gluten-free. I also use gluten-free oats, and I add that in. So in terms of rice flour portions, I used a cup of rice flour. You can also add half a cup to a cup of oats, depending how big your loaf pan is and how big of a loaf you want to make. And as I mentioned, I added in my onions, my chilies, my broccoli, the tuna, the chia seeds. You can add your cheese if you'd like. And then you mix all of that together with the rice flour, the gluten-free oats. You add in your milk. I would add in about a cup of milk or a little bit more liquid because the rice flour is quite dense, or it makes it quite dense. So you want to actually add in more liquids to make it a nice cake mixture or bread mixture. So it has no yeast, and there's no yeast that's required. Once you've mixed everything in, you've got your bread mixture. You line your pan with a grease-proof paper, and then you fill it in your cake mixture into the loaf pan or bread mixture, and then you spoon it. You can add more chia seeds if you'd like. You can add sesame seeds if you really want to make it fancy. You can do whatever you'd like, even chia seeds as well. And then it goes into bake for about 45 minutes. And the reason it took so long is because I wanted it nice and golden brown on top, and then inside still moist. You can play around with the recipe. As I said, this is just a basic recipe for you to understand how do I get more omega-3s in my daily diet, and I found a versatile way of using a bread. Once it's done, let it cool for about 2 hours or so. Then you can slice the bread, and it's ready. It's that simple. You can have it as a tea time snack. As I mentioned, it's so versatile. There's so many things that you can do. You can even use it as a pre-workout or post-workout snack as well. So guys, it's that simple. I hope you've enjoyed the omega-3 bread recipe, and let me know if you've tried the tuna, sardines, or what protein source or omega-3 source have you used to make your health bread. And as I said, you can add spices if you'd like. You can add turmeric. You can add so many things. Instead of broccoli, you can use green pepper, or different types of bell peppers, or mushrooms, whatever you'd like. It's really that simple and that easy. So if you like today's episode, click on the like and subscribe button. And thanks for tuning in, and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, guys.